Crystal Beach 2013. Big waves on Lake Erie. Just got splashed. Life-proof case, waterproof. Warm heat wave, 45 degrees. A couple guys out there trying to surf. Last weekend it was way rougher. 60 plus miles an hour. We had guys come down from Toronto. They tried to do it, but it was a little bit too dangerous. Today's not bad. Definitely wouldn't want to be out here fishing though. Here comes a big wave. Let's see if we can get it. FishingNiagara.com, always updated. Sun shining, wind blowing. January thaw. You're not going to see much surfing here. You got to go to Hawaii. Good luck. Go fishing.